Hello students, this is a question I have taken from class 9, exercise 10.3. This is question number 3rd of this exercise. If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So हम इसे फिगर के थ्रू समझ लेते हैं कि what is the actually question. For example, let this is a circle. Yes, one circle and there is another one more circle. If two circles intersect at 2 points, so they are intersecting at 2 points. Yes, these points are A and B. Yes, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So first of all, just see this. These are the, for example, these are the centers. Yes, this is the center of this circle and this is the center. Suppose this is L and this is M. So L is the center of the first circle and M is the center of the other circle. Now what we have to prove that their centers lie. इनका center किस पे lie करता है? On the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So जो भी common chord होगा, common chord means the chord that is of this circle as well as of this circle. Means वो chord इस circle में के लिए भी होगा और इस circle के लिए भी होगा. So if we join A to B, so we can see here AB. If we just hide this circle, yes, hide this circle and just forget about this curve. So if we see AB is a chord of this circle having a center L, yes, and if I hide this, मैं इसे छुपा दूँ तो AB is also a chord of this circle having a center M. Means AB is the common chord. Common मतलब वो दोनों में है. Now what we need to prove, their centers lie. ये इनके सेंटर किस पे आते हैं? जो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है कॉमन कॉर्ड का. सो सपोज व्हेन वी ज्वाइन दिस LM, सो हमें प्रूव क्या करना है? व्हाट वी नीड टू प्रूव, हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि जो LM है, दिस LM इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ कॉमन कॉर्ड. यस, इट मीन्स ये परपेंडिकुलर भी है इनके लिए, यहाँ पे परपेंडिकुलर भी, और बाइसेक्टर मीन्स इट इज डिवाइडिंग दिस कॉर्ड इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. यस, so it means suppose this point is O. Okay, this point is O. It means we need to prove that LOB is equal to 90 degree and AO is equal to BO. Yes, and of course L and M are the points that are on this perpendicular bisector that we need to prove. Yes, हम लोग L और M जो है इस लाइन पे है जो सेंटर्स को ज्वाइन करता है. यस, और व्हाट इज दैट लाइन सेगमेंट? LM. ठीक है, वो उस पर लाई करते हैं यानी कि उस पर हैं. और ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर कैसे प्रूव होगा? अगर हम इस एंगल को, दिस LOA, either LOA or MOA means this angle or this angle and this angle and this angle, we will prove that 90 degree. तो परपेंडिकुलर हो गया. And if we prove that AO is equal to BO, then of course it means LM is bisecting this AB. Yes, so the what is the tough regarding this question? Actually इसे प्रूव करना तो बहुत इजी है, बट क्या प्रूव करना है इसे समझना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. दैट्स वाई आई हैव टेकन मोर टाइम टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट वी नीड टू प्रूव. सॉरी, अगर हमें ये पता चल जाता है कि हमें क्या चीज़ चाहिए एक्चुअली, व्हाट वी नीड टू प्रूव, सो दैट इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ so we will do the few construction that I already told you कि sometimes we need to do the constructions. So what we will do, we will join this L to A to M, L to B and this B to M. Means we have joined this intersecting point जो two circles का intersecting point है, that first point to the both the centers and this intersecting point also for both the centers. So what we will write here, first of all, always what we do, we always write what is given to us. Yes, so AB is common chord. Yes, and see AL is equal to LB. Yes, if we hide this circle and if we see LA and LB, both are the radius of this first circle. Yes, and here AM and BM is the radius of this second circle. Radii of first circle and AM is equal to BM is also the radii of second circle. Okay, I hope now you have understand this figure and what is given you have to understand. Yes, now to prove, basically we need to prove that the centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. If you don't understand what you have to write, you simply just copied it down here. आप इसे कॉपी करके लिख दीजिए what you need to prove. L and M lie on the perpendicular bisector of the AB. Yes, lie on the perpendicular bisector of AB, that is common chord. Correct? Now, how we will do the proof? Taking triangle ALM, this triangle, this above ALM, and triangle BLM, and triangle BLM. What we could see here, see, AL is equal to BL. AL is equal to BL, radii of same circle. And AM is equal to BM, same radii of the same circle, and LM is equal to ML, common. Yes, LM is equal to ML. We have taken the above triangle and the below triangle, and AL is equal to BL, AM is equal to BM, and of course LM is equal to ML, common. So by SS congruency rule, triangle ALM is congruent to triangle BLM, and by CPCT what we have got? By CPCT, angle ALO is equal to angle BLO. Yes, which is angle ALO and BLO? Let's see. This is angle ALO and this angle is BLO. So by CPCT, because this triangle is congruent to this triangle, so by CPCT this angle is equal to this angle. What is CPCT? Congruent part of the corresponding side, congruent triangle. Yes. Now what we have to do, taking triangle ALO and triangle BLO. ALO, this triangle, this one, ALO, let me make dots here, ALO and triangle, this BLO, this. Yes. Now what we need to prove, why we have taken this triangle, we need to prove these two triangles congruent so that we can get this angle LOA, this angle equal to this angle LBO. Yes. So to prove these two angles equal, we need to prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Yes. So how we can prove? AL is equal to BL, radii of the same circle. LO is equal to OL, that is common. And this angle, already by CPCT we have proved ALO is equal to BLO. Just prove. So by SAS these two triangles will be congruent to each other. So let write these things. AL is equal to BL, radii of same circle. Yes. And LO is equal to OL, common. Yes. And next thing, angle ALO is equal to angle BLO. just proved. Yes, so by SAS congruency rule, triangle ALO is congruent to triangle BLO. So by CPCT, what we have got? Angle LOB is equal to angle LOA. Yes, this angle LOA, this angle is equal to angle LOB. And what we can see, this is AB is a straight line. So these two, sum of these two angles definitely will be equal to 180 degree, or we can say these two angles will be supplementary to each other. Yes, because AB is a straight line. So angle LOA plus angle LOB is equal to 180 degree. We can write AB is straight line. Yes, now these two angles here from first these two angles are equal. So angle LOA twice of angle OA is equal to 180 degree, or we can write angle LOA is equal to 90 degree, because 2 will divide to 180 degree, and that is equal to angle LOB. Yes, so this is, we have got the second equation. It means now we have proved that this line LO is perpendicular to AB. Yes, now we have proved. And since these two angles are 90 degrees, so we have proved. And when we have proved these two triangles are congruent to each other, here when triangle ALO is congruent to this triangle, triangle BLO, yes, see, this triangle is congruent to this BLO. So by CPCT we have got LOB and LOA, and from this, suppose this is the equation number A. So from equation A, because these two triangles are congruent, so AO is equal to BO. Yes, AO is equal to BO. Yes, so now we can see here LO is perpendicular as well as bisect this line, that AB, that we need to prove. Yes, so hence now we can say that LM is perpendicular bisector of AB. Yes, AB, that is the common chord that we need to prove, because angle LOA is equal to 90 degree. Yes, and OA is equal to BO, and that we need to prove. So we have proved that this is perpendicular these two angles, as well as AOA is equal to BO, so it is bisecting also. And L and M are of course the point on that lie on the LM line segment that we need to prove. So hence proved that LM is perpendicular bisector of AB. I hope it is very clear to you. So thank you, students.